Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video a special promotion I'm doing for limited time only, and it's going to end on April the 12th. And so this here promotion is all about people who looking to start their own tax preparation business, and they know they want to get started with help, regardless of their skills, where they're at in their journey. They know they don't want to start this by themselves. They know they want to start this with someone they can trust, who they can believe in, who gonna be able to help them make this uh, start on their journey in this career industry of tax preparation a success. So if you know you're the person that don't want to get started by yourself on this journey, and you want to have someone who has the knowledge and the skills and the insight and the training to help you get started and to build a solid foundation for success, then the next steps you need to be doing, if you haven't already done it, is to find that person online who can help you make it happen. And if you already got an idea of some people that you might be interested in working with, then it's time to reach out to them, talk to them, see if y'all a good fit for working with one another, and see if y'all can take it to the next steps by getting started. Like I tell people who are already in this industry, who talking about next year they're gonna have a better year than this year, that starts right now. So if you're the person that only pick up this information during training season, which starts mainly in the fall for everybody around the nation, then it's a good chance you're not making any real money anyway. You probably don't have no significant clientele anyway, and you're struggling to build your clientele base if that's the only time you're picking up a book. So when it comes to the sex you say you want to have inside your business, it must take massive action on your part. Not my part, but your part. Because see, I'm the trusted leader and guide who gonna show you the way, but you got to take action on the way I show you. Other than that, it's just there. So when it comes to my mentorship and coaching premium program, you get to work with me for 18 months, and from there you get to decide if you want to continue to work with me, and if you do, it's an annual investment. That annual investment can be locked in, or it can change. It all depends on how we set that up in our initial uh, meeting of one another. So when it comes to doing what I do, I specialize in helping new people who want to get started right. You know, we got so many new people who's trying to study for a professional exam when they ain't even took a basic tax preparation course on doing 1040s yet. So the study for a professional exam, which is the enrolling exam I'm referring to, but you don't even have a foundation set with preparing even doing basic individual 1040s is a joke. That shouldn't be your focus. Your focus should be mastering how to do 1040 individual tax returns, schedule A, B, C, D, and E's. And then once you've done that, you want to at the same time be thinking about learning how to do 1065s, 1120s, business returns. And at the same time, while you're thinking about doing all those things, you want to think about where you want to be in 5 years when it comes to your business. What's your goals and your vision and your mission for your business going to be? Well, you might not know that right now, but as you get started, as you take action on that, that'll start to come to you as you start to do some stuff. So if you're a person who know they want to get started, but they don't want to do this alone, this is the cheapest this gonna ever get as far as working with me with my premium coaching program. Because these 4 tasks that we're talking about are the tasks that you need to have done to be considered a tax preparation service in the first place. Out of these 4, you might already have 2, which is the ID Me account setup, which gives you access to the EFIN provider's application, which gives you access to being able to have an EFIN number, which gives you access to being able to purchase professional software and register with a third-party bank that's going to collect your fees on your behalf. So without having an online account, you can't even fill out the application to even get the money. So that's the first task. The second task is the EIN task, where we're going to set up an EIN number in the name of the business. And you got 2 options with that. You can do the free version or you can do the paid version. The paid version of that is incorporating and paying the state filing fee based on the state you want to incorporate in. A lot of people don't have the money in the budget for that. They do that later as they make some money. So that's no biggie. But that information is going to go on your e-file provider's application, which is going to allow you to get the EFIN number, which stands for electronic filing identification number, which is going to allow you to buy professional software and register with a third-party bank that's going to collect your fees on your behalf from your clients. And now, I suggest everybody register with a bank because, see, the problem is unless you're a marketing master, where you're gonna be able to go out to go where you got the skills and the knowledge to go out to high-end income earners who pay out of pocket anyway, then you definitely want to have an opportunity not to leave no money on the table by making sure you can process low-income families to middle-class families who will walk away with refunds. You want to be able to process those group of people because those are some of the people that you're going to run across in the beginning of your journey that you want to be able to make money from, gain experience with, and be able to build on. So when it comes to doing what I do, everybody can't do what I do. You got so many people online talking about mentorship and coaching programs designed to help you get started, designed to give you all this training, and they charging you for this, and they haven't done anything. I'm not that guy. That's why my YouTube channel was created to let you know that I had the knowledge and skills to do what I say I can do. That's why I invite people to call me up. We can get on the phone. We can talk. We can chat. I can answer all your questions concerns about getting started and give you a realistic expectation on what it's going to take for you to be successful by taking massive action. That's what I bring to the marketplace. That's the value I bring to the marketplace. To be able to help you set up your business, to be able to help you get started, give you all some necessary tools and resources that you need to have in place right then and there at your fingertips that you have to implement inside your business where you ain't got to go research it, you ain't got to go guess, you ain't got to go ask nobody because you got me on your team to make that happen for you. So this here special ends April the 12th. It's $695. We're going to cover the 4 tasks, which is going to allow you to have a complete tax preparation business set up for yourself. You're going to be able to work with me for 18 months in the process. You're going to have me on your team to help answer tax preparation questions and concerns. You're going to have somebody on your team that's going to help you learn how to use the software that I'm going to show you that we're using, which is TaxLab Pro web-based software, which is user-friendly and easy to use and learn. And I'm going to be able to help you build a solid foundation for success. But you got to be active participant in that success. I got people who joined me back in 2020 who just dropped off the scene, who invested their money, who are not actively participating in their business. There's nothing I can do for them because you're a grown person and that's your choice to do what you want to do when you want to do it. But you're not going to have a successful business with that type of attitude. So if you want to have a massive, successful business where you're out there helping other people in the process of helping you and your family live a abundant life, then you must take a massive action on that. So find someone you know, like, and trust enough who has the knowledge, the skills, the information to take you down the pathway to success based on where you say you want to go in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. And don't worry about trying to study for a professional exam that you ain't even qualified to even study for when you don't even know how to do basic 1040 tax returns yet. So this here video will be uploaded in my Facebook group. Like I said, this special promotion ends on the 12th. My tax correction course that I got going on, it starts on the 19th. We already got a class starting upcoming Monday or Tuesday because, like I said in the promo, if I get 3 students, we can start now, and we're about to start now. So if you're interested in learning how to do taxes, but you might not be interested in the full coaching aspects of what I offer, then at least reach out to me and we can talk about the tax preparation course that you need to take because that's the foundation for you getting started anyway. Because if you don't know how to prepare taxes, how are you going to have a tax business? And learn how to use the professional software and learn some basic marketing skills that you can help, that's going to help you go out and get clients. And leverage free social media that puts you in front of hundreds of thousands of people every day for free. And you just have to learn how to effectively do that by bringing value to them with information that's helpful to them that they can use that lets them know that you know your stuff. So this here opportunity ends April the 12th. After that, I'm through with promoting. No more special promos at all for the remainder of the year other than the tax preparation course, which ends on April 19th for that promo. So reach out to me at 782-1320. Let's talk. Let's chat. 773-782-1320. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's get to know one another. Because it's my job to reach out to the new person who's looking to start a career and business in this industry, because that's what I do for a living. So I take the lead on reaching out to you if I have to, because that's what I do for a living. I can't wait for you to reach out to me because I started there. So I reach out to people who, number one priority is to start their own tax preparation business. And if they decide they want to do it with someone, then you the one I want to talk to. If you ain't got no chickens on doing this with someone, then ain't nothing else to talk. There ain't nothing for us to talk about. Because see, this is what I do for a living, not for a hobby, but for a living. So take action, either with me or someone else. That's gonna help you get started in this awesome career industry of tax preparation and taxation. It's a career industry, regardless if you see it that way or not. And I'll see you in my next video.